Hello, hello, hackers. How are you doing? Hey, hello, Tanziha. Hello, Thakurs Abhay. All good. Good to hear that. Hello, Zaim. So, folks, this is the last part of our bash scripting session. And, well, let's say goodbye to bash scripting session on a good note. So, I brought you something new for you all. And, yeah, we will get started once you all excited to get recruited. Okay, let me just paste the check-in since you all need swag and it is important and you all need points to win. So there you go. Go ahead, click on the link below and check in. Once you register and check in, we'll get started right into it. Hey Ritvik. Awesome. Looks like everyone checked in, but I still gonna keep this comment for here for a while. And well, what we are going to do today. So in the past 2 days, the streams were a bit boring, right? So like we were just exploring the topics, learning new commands. Some were like boring. What should I do? I'm just gonna click it up and yeah, that's it. We did explore a lot, but we didn't do anything practical. And when you learn something new, it's good to make it practical. And you will learn it in a fun way and you'll remember it, right, for a long time. So today we are going to build a game and this game is going to be very interesting and even you can make it really really interesting. So I'm going to tell you a little about like what we are going to do. So this game, I'll give you three hints, okay? This game is based on Rickroll, as I wrote here already. This game will cover all the basics of bash scripting we did in the past 2 days. So I'll be just recapping the concepts as we build along. And this is also an MLH themed. So don't think that this is only a Rickroll, but you get to be like a hero. You get to choose your own mascot and you get to beat some enemies and win the game. So at some parts this gonna be a bit difficult and at some parts this will be really interesting. And we have no, I'm not gonna give spoilers. Okay, enough of spoilers. Uh well, let's get started. So have your terminals opened up and let's exit out of here first. Okay. And I have my terminal opened up. I am in my home folder right now. And first things first, we will create a file and I will give you a little challenge. I won't do it right now, but since you all have followed along with like past two sessions, so tell me or like do it yourself, make a file and uh, make it like executable and see that it prints welcome to the game. This is a small challenge and you can do it in like 1 2 minutes. So let's see who gets it first. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. Create a file, name it something, make it executable, and make it print welcome to the game on the screen on the terminal. The first one who puts an emoji in the chat finished first. I'll assume that, okay? You can do hello world, welcome to game, anything. It should just like print something on the screen. Still waiting. Abhay says minus x, nope. Plus x rays. And you still need to add some command in front of it and after that. So yeah, let's see. One hacker who puts an emoji in the chat is the winner. Fastest finger first, or should I say fastest nano first? Tick tick one, tick tick two, tick tick three, tick tick four, tick tick five, tick tick six, tick tick seven. You are not late. We are just getting started, and I just gave a little challenge to all the hackers to make a file, print something on the screen. Okay, tick tick 10, countdown over, and I will do it for you. So, first we will do nano and we will give this file a name. Let's say MLH game. Make it short and simple. .sh. Okay, and when you do create a file, what do? You use shebang. So we are going to do that. How do you do shebang? We put hashtag and an exclamation mark slash bin slash bash, echo something true, yes. And to make it a bash file, you need to do this. This is called shebang, the first line of the bash file. And then we just do echo your sound surrounding. Uh, there's some construction going on, so that might be some sound. Echo, welcome to the game. Okay, and control X, Y, and okay. Now we have to make it executable. So chmod plus X mlh game dot sh. All right, and now we can execute it. mlh game dot sh. It said welcome to the game. Awesome. So we did our first um, step to the game, which is title of the game. So it said just welcome to the game. And now we will improve it. Okay, we'll go again to nano. And now instead of just welcome to the game, we will make it a bit more interesting. And how can we make it interesting? We can build a storyline around it. So how to build a storyline? I can say welcome to Wonderland, where anything can happen. We like to put some drama in it, just like okay. And I'm gonna do two dots, and yeah. So first this, and then we will try to make our first battle. Okay. So how can we make our game starting from here? So first we need characters, right? So first things first, we'll get some character. We'll get the battle, and we need character for our hacker like us, and we need character for the villain, and we need the battle range, right? So what I'm gonna build is I'm gonna say mascot equals to, and there is something cool thing if you don't know. If you do this, put a dollar sign, oops, bracket, and this is called random. So if you use this, right, you get random variables from some range. Like if you put percentage and some number, let's say I want random numbers from 1 to 10, and if I put 10, it will give me some random number between 0 to 10, and if I put 2, it will give me some random number between 0 to 2. So it could be either 0 or 1, right? And now let's create, uh, let's say, okay, we will say something is approaching us. Just like in battle, you see villain approaching you, or something just comes and hits you, right? And now you need to say attack. So something is attacking you and you need to escape. So first we will build the attack. Do you know what is the mm, first mascot of MLH? The very first. It's fine if you don't know. I know there are so many new hackers. So let me tell you the first mascot, Blahaj. No, it's not Blahaj. Fox, nope. The first mascot of MLH was literally Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace, if you know, she was a scientist. Uh, she was in the computer field, so MLH chose it as a mascot. It doesn't really qualify as a mascot, to be honest, but yeah, that was it. If you Google MLH mascots, yes, first programmer. Uh, you will see I have an Eda t-shirt in which there is face of the Eda Lovelace and she's wearing some VR headsets. Looks cool. So we will say Eda Lovelace approaches. Since this is a battle between mascots and hacker, we will try something like this. Approaches you to attack with her computer. This is really weird, but Ada Lovelace comes approaches you to attack with a computer, so could be something. And we will say prepare to battle. Now, why did we use this mascot random to something something? Now, this variable will come here. Let's say pick a number between 0 to 1, and in brackets I'll give the options for the user so they know how what to put in, and I'll close this echo. And now, so our first battle question is ready, and what we will do is we need to have something so that it could read the input from the hacker, right? So we will do read hacker. Okay, this will take the input from us, and we will do if. So yesterday I think we learned about functions and if statements, switch statements, something like that, right? So we will use this here. So if, we will do two brackets, and we have the mascot variable, mascot. So how this works is mascot gives takes random numbers, right? So if the input of your number matches the number of the mascot, you win. Okay, so we will say equal to let's say hacker, since we gave hacker a variable and it's going to take input from hacker. And let's close this, and then we put a semicolon, and we will say if this happens, then, and I'm going to use tab. You don't need to use tabs actually in here because it just still works even if you don't intend anything. It's not Python. But just to make it prettier, I'm going to use tabs, and We will write echo mascot defeated. Okay, and congratulations. Okay, and if it does not match, we need else. Again, tab, and we will say echo mascot wins. Okay, and we will put C. See, when you use if clauses, right, like if else, and the opposite of if is used to close that function. So, close that loop. So, if this happens, else that will happen, and you need to exit out. So, we will use just the opposite of it, fi, phi. Okay. See, it's so easy to do that. And it's so easy to remember, like, fi, okay, I'm going to use phi, just the opposite of it, and we will control x y and enter. Now we will run this. Welcome to Wonderland, where anything can happen. Ada Lovelace approaches you to attack you with her computer. Prepare to battle. Come on, let's pick a number and try. Where did I recroll you? No, I did not yet. Okay, let's pick a battle. Let's say 0. Mascot defeated. Congratulations. Okay, you got it right on the first time. Now we can try it again and let's see if we can lose. Let's pick one. Ooh, my luck is too good today. Let's say 0. Uh, Echo mascot wins. Oops, something is wrong there. Let's see what's wrong. I recrolled you with a GIF. Ooh, okay. Let's go ahead. There's some error here. Let's try to fix it. Hmm. Okay, if mascot hacker, then echo mascot defeated. Else mascot wins. I am not sure. Okay, let's see. Could you unpin the message? Okay, okay. Sorry. Yep, it's done now. Do I need to give a space? Hmm. We can also add here exit so that once this program is over, we can just exit. Fine. Okay. Uh, this should be good. I don't see anything else, but let's try. Okay, and let's run it. Mascot defeated. My luck is too good. I'm defeating it every time. Mascot wins. Okay, now I lose. Okay, great. So this is some simple game, but we're gonna make it better. How? Now let's try to add few more characters and few more things. Let's go again to our game. Nano. Okay, now you might be wondering, I am only a hacker. How can I like battle these people, these amazing mascots out there? Don't worry. Are we working with Nano? Kinda, yeah. So where was I? Yeah. So you might be thinking that these amazing mascots and I'm only a hacker. How can I defeat all of these? So we heard you and I'll give you some really nice tools. Now, what we will do is we will add you some characters. Let's see what characters can hacker get. So, uh, since we are working with MLH mascots, I'm not gonna change that. Those are our villains, okay? And we have seen in the past few years like hackers came up with some really amazing, potentially good mascots. Let's say we have Lahaj and we have Rick Rolls. Someone guessed it, Rick Astley. Oh, yes. And I'm gonna add some random character in, let's say Dobby from Harry Potter. And we will give some characters to you all. So let's do that. Please select your character. Okay. And I'm gonna add options. First one is can be one character. I'll give three characters. You can pick anyone, and I'll show how to do it. First one will give to the mighty Blaj. Second will give Rick Astley. Okay. Third we will give Dobby. Okay. Cool. Now this is done. Now, how can we select characters, right? Once you like this will just echo, this is just an echo statement, but we can't really select from it. Now, how do you want? Okay, well, let's keep the spaces consistent. Done. Okay. Now, how can you select? Now, we will add another read class so that these are classes, right? So, one, two, three are the character classes, and we will take input from the user. Now we will take input from the hacker on what they want to be. Now let's say case. This is some really cool concept. So cases where you can like have one, two, three, and you can select any one from all of those. So we can do case in class. Okay, and we will do first one. This is, let's say, okay. First one, let's say type is Lahaj. Okay. And we will give it some attack. Okay. Lahaj is like really cute and super strong. So I will give it some attack number of 100. Lahaj is really strong, and anyone who's a Lahaj can like smash all the villains out there. Okay. And we will give them some description, and what do we say? We can say it kills everyone with cuteness. Okay, and we close this. And how do we close these classes? Like for one class, we will just do double semicolon, and that is closed. Okay, for second, now we will do what is our second one? Rick Astley. Okay, now type equals to Rick Astley. You can make any characters you want to. I'm just showing it just for the sake of our game to make it interesting. And let's give it an attack of 70. It's not too powerful, not as powerful as Blahaj. Okay, so let's give it a description. What can I say? Okay, Rick rolls you till you roll away. I'm giving some really nice descriptions, right? Okay, close this up. Tab, oops, extra tab. Okay, three. And our third character type. What was our third character? Was it Dobby? Yeah. Okay, let's give it an attack of 1. Hmm. Dobby can't do anything. It just runs away. So, description. We will just say Dobby is free. It doesn't want to fight. Okay, it just want to run away. So, yeah, Dobby is kind of okayish character, but still cute. Well, what I'm doing here is let's make this attack random too. Uh, Dobby is scared of Rickroll. We can make this random. Random. Okay. Bracket, bracket. Done. And now, again, cool thing. How did we close the if conditions? We started with if, closed with fi. So just the opposite of if. And we can close this up with the same. So this is case. What could be the closing one? Any guesses? So the closing one would be just the exact opposite. Case and ISAC. It's so cool, right? And now, once we have chosen the character, now how will someone know that we have chose this character, or how will the program know? We will do echo. You chose. You have chosen the. Since we have types here, we can do $ type plus. We will give them the attack, the stats we will display. So we your attack is $attack, and it will uh, I'll give 3 dots and I'll put description. Okay. I didn't realize the closing. Yes, yes, this is a cool thing in Bash. So case, ISAC, and if fee. Fee is short for finish. Logic, but yeah. Okay, okay. Now, okay, let's run this first and see if we can. Okay, now. Oh, we got our character menu. Please select your character 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go with 1. Wait. Line 14. Attack command not found. Something gone. Okay, let's go again. Uh, read class, attack, attack. Okay, okay. Hmm. Attack is good too. Did we miss something? Okay, okay. I got it. This should also be this. And your attack is attack Spellings are right. Okay, let's try and run again. Let's do 1. 914 attack not found. Hmm, wait a second. Let's debug this. Hmm, where did we go wrong? Okay, let's try and copy paste it again. Just a second. Okay. Page. Okay. Okay. I need to do X. Uh, what's going wrong? Okay. And tab again. Boom. And tab again. Tab again. Okay. Let's try and hope this works. This was GSWSH. Now dot slash GHW.sh. Okay. Let's pick one. Okay, that's done. It came. Yay! It worked. And let's try something else. We choose Rick. You choose Rick Ashley. Plus your attack is 70 and it will Rick roll. Okay, again. And let's try Dobby. Your attack is 1. Okay, awesome. It worked. Now I need to add again the last part which I deleted. So let me go ahead. Okay. Till then, we are all good till then. Till here, it's like we choose our character, and I need to add the part uh where was it? Yeah, I need to add the part of the first mascot battle. So I'm gonna add that. Let's add it. Where did the terminal go? Okay. Paste. Okay. And we need to add the else part. Hey Sushmita, hi hi. You are not really late, but you can still watch it. Okay, now we added the last part too, which we already did. So let's go ahead from the code of the beginning. We see welcome to Wonderland and we pick the class. And after that, we get a statement saying that we chose this character and your attack is attack and it will give us description. Okay. And then our first mascot battle. So we get mascot, it will just give us random number and we choose a random number. If it matches, it we win. If it doesn't, the mascot wins. Okay. So this is a simple game currently, and I will control X. I will say yes, and let's execute GHW.sh. Okay. Please select your character. One. Uh, okay. And now I'll do 0. Mascot defeated. Congratulations. And our character is famous than Ada. So we win. That's great, right? Now this is a simple game. Now let's add more and more to it. Now how can we add more? I will tell you. So let's do nano hw.sh. Okay. This is our last one, right? So after this, if you win, we will tell the program to not exit. We will tell it to sleep so that it gives a break of few seconds. Let's say sleep equal to 2 or sleep equal to 3. So it will sleep exactly for 2 to 3 seconds. Let's give villain and hacker a little rest. Let's say sleep equal to 2. And what we will do is we will now uh, make another battle, which will be the second stage. Okay. So we are adding the second stage. We will say this could be the battle of bots because the second mascot of MLH was Bit the Bot, if you don't know. So what I will do is I will say echo bot battle. So it's bit the bot, and this will be a bit tough because we are giving it a range of 0 to 9. In the first battle, we gave them a range of 0 and 1. It it's not a big problem. Like you do two times, and every time it matches. If it's 0, cool. If it's 1, and in here we are giving it a big range of 0 to 9. So we are doing the same thing. All this code will be here too. And hi Ria. So we will again read from the hacker. So I'm just gonna copy paste that code, and instead of 2, we are going to put random 10. Copy and paste. Okay. So you can see that now this number is random 10. And we will do if mascot equal to hacker, then defeat. If mascot is not equal to hacker, then we will say better luck next time. So let's get this code again, and we will just copy paste. Okay, where, oh, it's here. All right, and let's remove this line. This is a spoiler, I'm sorry. Okay, now we are giving it a random 10, and if hacker is equal to mascot, it's the same code again. Let's control X, Y, and enter. Now we will execute. We will pick a character. Let's say Rick. I'm a big fan of Rick. I'll put 0. Mascot wins. I'll do again. Put 1. Mascot wins. See, as soon as I put 1 and it does not match, it just exits out of the program and does not let me go to the next stage. And let's hope I get to next stage now. Uh, okay, mascot defeated. Awesome. And it slept for 2 seconds, just like it was here. And after 2 seconds, this segment came, which is bot battle. Get ready. It's bit the bot. Pick a number 0 to 9. So I will pick my birthday month. It's 6, so I'll pick that. 6. Mascot wins. So this will go on till you finish everything, and this will go for a long, long time. So okay, and if we are really, really lucky, you will get to win. If you're not, mascot will keep winning. And this is not the hacker spirit. Hackers need to win against the mascot, right? So, if you have played a lot of games and you are a gamer, you might know that some games have these cheat codes, and it helps you win better, right? So, we will do something like that here. Let's go ahead and again edit this. Nano. Okay. And in here, let's say since this is the difficult level, we will put some cheat codes here. What we will do is, since we have stats and we have characters, we are choosing characters. Let's make use of it. Why keep the characters and the stats go waste? Uh, Now, what I will do is I will change the line, which is if mascot equal to hacker, and now I will change that. Let's delete this line, and The matches sound like a child might fight with his toys. Now Rick Ashley will kick Pikachu. I do not understand. Okay. Uh, so yeah, what I did here is mascot equal to hacker. It's the same, but using pipes. We learned about pipes yesterday. So we did like two vertical lines, and we say it's like or sign. Okay. So if mascot equal to hacker and hacker equal to type is which we choose the character. So let's say we are the hacker and we choose Blahaj, or we choose Rick, or we choose Dobby. Okay, and if the type matches Rick Astley, Rick Astley has 70 stats, right? So attack is 70, and we can defeat bit the bot with that. So this is what we are going to do, and then let's put 10. If it matches Rick Astley, we will say Echo mascot defeated, congratulations. And if it doesn't, it will exit and say mascot wins, better luck next time. And let's do Control X, see if this works. Okay, I'm gonna pick Rick Astley. Please, Ada, let me win. Oops, if she did not. I am gonna again pick Rick Astley. No, let's pick zero. Oh, okay, there we go. Uh, Now I do Rick Astley. See, I entered my character and it said mascot defeated. And if I enter some other character, let's see what happens. Let's see, I pick Dobby, pick zero. Okay. Uh, I will put Dobby. Mascot defeated. Oh, wait. This should not be the case. It's like every character we choose would defeat it. So let's not do that. Video.sh. Hmm. This should not have happened. Okay, let's try again. If mascot equal to hacker, hacker type equal to Rick Astley, then mascot defeated. Else, okay, mm-hmm. Makes sense. Read hacker, mascot random 10. Looks good. Let's try again. Pick two, zero, pick two. Ah, okay. Hmm. something something. If type equals to Rick Astley, that should be true. But it's giving mascot defeated for every type. Okay, let's try doing one more thing. We can go out. We can use elif statement and try if that is better. You can say and delete this one. Okay, and we can try elif. We can also use another character. Elif is just else if, and mascot equal to hacker, or hacker is lahaj. We can like modify the statement since it is for Rick. Rick rolled the bot and it rolled away. Awesome. And we can say Blahaj. Close it. Then let go. Blahaj sent the bot in the ocean with its tail kick. Something, I don't know. Right. And yeah, now let's try this. I'm gonna pick 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. No, 1, 1. Okay, awesome. Mm, I'm gonna write Lahaj. Awesome, we won. And this is how you can do it. And another cool thing is we can also do something like this. Let me tell you what. Oops. Uh, nano GSWSH. Okay, so this is some text game, right? If you want to add something cool like graphics or having some pictures pop up or a video pop up, we can do that too. We can do that. How are we going to do this? Okay. Mm, Here, if you win, let's say you have to display I won image and or I won a video or something like that. So what you can do, you can just use open And if you don't know the path where your video lies in the system, you can just take your file manager and click on that video, drag it, and drop it in the terminal. This shows the path. I just did that and it shows like open and it gave me the whole path. So that's good. And we will do a control exit, control X, Y, and let's see if this works. Now, when I will win the battle with Ada, it will show me something from my system. Like it will just pop open something. Okay. And no, let me win. I wanna show you. Oh, do I need to show my whole screen? I think yes. Let me present my whole screen just for this. Okay. Now, once again, I will again execute it. Control C. There we go. I just wanna So every time you win, every time you win, this will help you like come up, and you can use it for anything, just like a pop up, or you can use it for um, I won. You can show some confettis or open up an image. All right, all right. And I did not do it by clicking anything here. It was just the script. Okay, I literally won, and it opened up. So you can do a lot of stuff like that in using bash script. And this is just the beginning. You can also add colors. You can add you can add ASCII art to it. Okay. By the way, we can add ASCII art to it. Let me just quickly show how we can remove. One second. Let's try and ask ChatGPT to make us some ASCII art for this. That's a good idea, right? Ooh, ChatGPT says we are facing some extremely high demand. That's really popular. And I today morning I saw that they are not even saving the chats, and all of my previous chats are like gone out of it. They are scaling it, it seems. All right, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT create an as as me oops as me art for Rick roll. It's oh, we got rickrolled by ChatGPT. Oh my god. Oh, I did not add it. Okay. What it said is, I said create an ASCII art for rickroll, and it said unfortunately creating an ASCII art is beyond my abilities as it requires the use of graphics and image manipulation. However, I can give you the lyrics of the song. Never gonna give you up. And it started writing the whole song in a terminal kind of thing. It did not give me ASCII art. Okay. ASCII art. for black hatch. Oh, it does not know what is Blahatch. Okay. If this does not work, I'm gonna randomly go on internet and pick some ASCII arts or shark. Oh, it's making something. It looks like a bunny, but it's not a shark. Come on, it's a bunny. ASCII art for Rick Astley. Okay. I love how it says ASCII art of creating a person, including Rick Astley. Okay, I actually tried doing that before, and I think it somewhere gave me something like that. Just gave me, oh, yeah, it's here. Here's an ASCII art of Rick Astley. We can copy this and let's try to put it in our terminal. What nonsense you can. It created previously. There, here's the proof. Let's go back to my terminal. Let's try implementing this ASCII art and make our game a bit more interesting. Okay, and where's Rick? Where are you now? Here. And tab, tab. What should I call it? Image equals to. And let's try and copy paste. There we go. And let's add it somewhere. Let's see, and it looks like image. Awesome. Let's do Control X, Y, Enter, and let's run. I'm gonna pick two. Ooh, we got it. We got it. Nice. So yeah, you can make games like these. Add whatever you want. You can also add colors. So yeah, let's try adding a color. Some. Let's try. Where is the color? Or you can also have add one library. I don't remember. Figlet. Yes, Figlet. You can add that. I'm gonna look up some colors till then. Just a second. What color should we use? Black, red, green, yellow, blue, purple. Okay, let's try yellow and add it in front of some echo. Is my yeah, it is visible. I think we use bash scripting on enemies when we want to bash someone. That's a good one. I have to control exit. Okay, nano. Let's try it on some echo here. Okay, looks good. Control X. Yes, yes. Ooh, there we go. We have color. We have yellow now. We can also have bold, italics. You can add anything you want to. As I said, you can use Figlet. So Figlet, let me just look it up. Okay, it's something like this. Let me share it. Do you see it? It's something like this. You can use that. It will print out something like this. Or you can also have this something called bubblegum. I saw it on GitHub. It is a tool for making something look nice. So the bash script would look great with that. So there you go. This is bubblegum from Charm. And let's try if we can add it. This looks so good, right? Like pink everywhere or some colors there with some emojis. This is really nice. We can use it too. And you have to install it in order to get use. So brew install gum and then you can use it or you can download it or just install with Go. All right, so currently that's it for today. Uh, let's look at some comments. Honestly, I don't know what is it. Oh, you are late, but can someone tell me what bash scripting is and why do we use it? So, bash scripting is basically it is similar to a programming language, and you can use it to make shell scripts and interact with your OS. So, whatever commands you do, right, in your terminal, you might be executing it one after the other, and you might want to make things simpler. So you can make a script which is like a file, and then you add all of the commands which you need, uh, and this will also ensure that you don't enter wrong commands. Once you enter in all the commands in script and make a script and then execute it with only one line, uh, it will do what it has to do. It will save a lot of time, and you can create a lot of stuff using bash script like games. You can create a bash script for cron jobs, like it will check if the job is running, if it's completed. or anything like that. You can also make to-do lists. Some message the moment she realizes she wasn't. I'm not sharing my screen because I'm done with it. It's done. It will be so useful if you are aspiring to become a DevOps engineer. Yes. 404. I'm not sharing my screen because I'm done. This is what I was showing. Or did I not show it? Yes, it is a language. No, you weren't sharing the color. What? No way. Did you all not see the yellow part in my terminal? I think you did. Uh, Shit. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, let's remove it and I will show you the terminal. I should make a bash script so that it automatically adds my screen to, yeah, now there you go. Link to which repo? If you want to check out this repo, which is gum, you can see that. And I have also uploaded my game code to my GitHub repo. You can check that. Let me search it up once. Hmm. Okay, got it. Gum repo, there you go. And this is the repo in which I have my bash code written. So the same game which I showed you without the ASCII at. I just added the ASCII at now. So yeah. And if you wanna know how I got this color since I wasn't sharing, let me show that. Ooh, it changed this color too. That's cool. Wait, what? It changed the whole. It's in whole yellow color. Okay. So this is the part I did echo E and then I added the color code it gave me. I just googled it up. You Google it up, no problem. And I did that and it changed the whole color, which I wasn't expecting to. But yeah, that is how you can do it. So that is it for today. And I hope you all liked this session more than the previous sessions. This was a bit practical because we not only discussed about it, we got to like get our hands dirty by doing stuff and entering stuff, getting into mistakes, debugging it together. So this was really fun for me, and I want to create more games with Bash. And let's see if I can add more Rickroll or add more Blahaj. Thank you. Awesome, folks. And if you create more games today, or if you are submitting it to GSW or just some doing it randomly, don't forget to tag me and share it in chats. And maybe I can send it to Mary, and you all can get a shout out in daily streams. So, yep. Don't add more Rickrolls. Okay, I'm gonna add Blahaj and lot of hats. Hackers get hats, not Rickrolls. Awesome, folks. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you around tomorrow till the GSW ends. Thank you all for joining. What are Rickrolls? Blaj and all. Oh, someone would explain you. Jayesh, someone would explain you. I'm not the person to explain right now. All right, folks. Thank you so much. Let me add some tunes for you all and see you all soon. Bye.